Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. LG Electronics has officially introduced CLOiD, its first multitasking domestic robot powered by artificial intelligence, debuting at CES 2026 in Las Vegas. Representing a significant leap toward the zero-labor home vision, CLOiD is designed to automate complex household chores that go far beyond simple floor cleaning. Advanced manipulation. Equipped with two articulated arms featuring 7 degrees of freedom each, and 5-fingered hands, CLOiD can perform intricate tasks such as retrieving items from a refrigerator, preparing food in an oven, and handling laundry, including washing, folding, and stacking clothes. The robot uses a combination of vision language models, VLM, for visual comprehension and vision language action, VLA, models to translate verbal and visual inputs into physical movement. It has been trained on tens of thousands of hours of household task data. Smart home integration. Serving as a mobile hub, CLOiD integrates seamlessly with LG's ThinQ and ThinQ on ecosystems. It features a generative AI voice interface, a display for facial expressions, and sensors to learn user patterns and control connected appliances. The robot uses a low center of gravity wheeled base with autonomous driving technology to ensure stability and safety around children and pets. While CLOiD demonstrates impressive functional capabilities, LG currently positions the robot more as a conceptual prototype than a mass-market product for the immediate future. The company intends to use the technology developed for CLOiD to enhance its broader range of conventional appliances and future robotic solutions. The emergence of AI-driven humanoid and service robots at major tech events like CES highlights a shift toward total home automation. However, the commercial success of devices like CLOiD will ultimately depend on their fin. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.